So today I'll be telling you one potential problem that you might have if you've got a Cub Cadet with the computer controlled engine. This is one's fuel injected. It's the XT2, and symptom was that when you push the start button that the lights would come on but the engine would not crank. So I did check the brake switch and the seat switch, and those were both good. Tried replacing the PTO switch, that did not fix it. So really the only other thing in the circuit is the computer here. So replaced that and ended up fixing the problem. What you got to do to change that out is, if you come over here, you got to take this panel off under the steering wheel. You got to pop that center cover off the steering wheel, take off the bolt that holds the steering wheel, and then there's a couple shoulder screws in there that hold this plastic part in. There's another shoulder screw here on either side. Right here, kind of hard to see. And then there's a couple more underneath the steering wheel here. And then you got to take the gas cap off, start pulling up on this whole plastic part here, and it'll get hung up on this parking brake switch. So you got to kind of pull this plastic out, pop it up over the parking brake switch, and kind of jiggle it back and forth because it's tight on the steering rod too. And then reach around under the hood after you get this thing up a ways, like 2 to 3 inches, and you can get in there, and you got to push in these clips. There's 4 clips on this thing. Pop it out a little bit, and then reach up from underneath and unplug these 2 connectors. Put the new one in place, plug the connectors back in, and then reverse the process. So anyway, it worked for me. Hope it helps you out. Thanks for watching.